Fleeceback TPO. Fleeceback single-ply membranes offer excellent performance for owners and applicators who are seeking solutions to economic and energy challenges, but who still prefer a technology that has common application techniques that applicators are typically very experienced in. The pre-applied backing incorporated into Fleeceback systems makes this membrane a perfect choice for recover applications, which can save money and also retain insulation benefits and provide increased redundancy that helps prevent leaks. Fleeceback is suitable for direct installation over a variety of substrates and can be installed with water-based and solvent-based adhesives or asphalt for those who prefer the waterproofing characteristics of a composite system. The group discussed the best applications.
I think in recover applications where you're going to have a little bit rougher substrate, where you have, it's already up there, the slip sheet built in, just again, labor savings.
I've got several hospitals that have asked, well, they had a problem. They had a lot of equipment on the roof and they wanted a clean roof for their people, as did the FAA, but they liked the idea of a modified or a built-up system. So we gave them 2-ply modified with the PVC Fleeceback cap sheet, essentially. And their technicians don't mind going up there because now they don't get gunk on their feet and they don't smell the asphalt, and somehow it's a cleaner, nicer roof.
Hybrid systems, such as built up underlayment, and then I use it as a cap sheet over the top.
The consultants listed the problems and solutions. Number 1. Improper roll storage. Improperly stored rolls can become misshapen if materials are stacked too high. When a misshapen roll is applied, good adhesion may not be possible. Applying a flattened roll also creates seaming problems. By properly storing materials according to the manufacturer's specifications, these problems can be avoided. In addition, proper storage helps eliminate moisture intrusion. Take care to cover the rolls with a canvas tarp or other breathable material. Number 2. Delamination of polyiso facers. Adhering the membrane directly to a polyiso facer can be problematic. It can lead to delamination that will weaken the roof system, making it more subject to blow-off. Using a cover board eliminates facer delamination. Number 3. Loss of perimeter nailers and/or decking. Fastening with improper fasteners can cause perimeter failure and potential blow-off. To prevent this, make sure that nailers are fastened with the correct mechanical fasteners. A correct fastening pattern is also crucial. The correct fastening pattern means fastening 8 inches on center at perimeters and 12 inches on center for intermediate supports. Number 4. Not following manufacturer's recommended temperature range at time of installation. Often, manufacturers' recommendations on application temperature limits are ignored. To prevent stiffness, adhesion problems, and condensation on the membrane surface, be sure to follow manufacturers' tested and proven limitations on temperature, which is commonly 40 degrees and rising. Number 5. Improper use and application of adhesives. Proper use of adhesives is as critical in single-ply Fleeceback application as it is in cold-applied modified installations. When they are applied too thin or too thick, improper application results in a poorly adhered roof. The proper adhesive application rate diminishes the chance of skips and voids and poor attachment, ensuring uniform adhesion. To avoid these problems, make sure that a properly napped roller is used for cold adhesives, and to ensure proper adhesive use, mark off the application area. These tips will assure the proper amount of adhesive is used on the intended area. Number 6. Damage and displacement to installed sheets. With Fleeceback systems, a common though easily preventable problem is damage to or displacement of sheets that have been installed before the adhesive is cured. Minimizing traffic over completed roof surfaces limits the chances that someone will fall or drop a tool on a recently applied sheet. Installing protection over finished surfaces is crucial to preventing damage as well. Both of these tips help ensure that the sheet can properly adhere without being moved. This will also prevent incidental punctures and scratches. Number 7. Improper lap seam application. Improper lap seam applications due to dust, dew point, moisture, excessive overlaps, or workmanship factors such as overapplication of adhesive can result in inconsistent welds and seams that are susceptible to premature failure. All laps should be properly cleaned and prepped. Following the manufacturer's recommendations for the seaming overlap is imperative. Number 8. Sheets not properly embedded. Voids, blisters, potential blow-offs, and inadequate adhesion are problems that result from sheets not properly rolled into the adhesive. Membranes should be embedded with a garden or linoleum roller when being installed over an adhesive, and sheets should be broomed for asphalt applications. Number 9. Improper sheet alignment. Sheets should be laid out dry and back-rolled to the center, not stretched to fit an area. Sheets that are improperly aligned, either overlapped or underlapped, will result in a poor overall roof layout and seam widths that are inadequate. Additionally, seams bucking water may be an issue. One way to avoid this mistake is to construct a sheet layout pattern prior to roof installation.